Sometimes a role is almost right, but one person on it needs a little bit more. You do not want to widen the row, because everybody else on that row would get it too. Say you have 3 people on the manager row. One of them, and only one, also handles the staff loans. You do not want the other 2 approving loans. That is exactly what extra permissions are for. Go to Settings, then User Management. Every user has a row here, and next to each one there is a shield button. That shield is where extra permissions live. Click it, and this is the extra permission screen. Notice it does not throw every permission in the app at you. It asks you to pick a category first. Open the drop-down and you see the categories, with a count of how many permissions in each one this person does not already have. You can also just type to search. Let us type loan. It finds the staff loans category. And here is the important part. It shows you only what this person is missing. Anything their role already gives them is not in this list, because there would be no point ticking it. Whatever their role already covers is tucked away under a small line that says how many are already granted, so you can still check why something is not offered. Tick what they need, and a banner appears telling you exactly what is about to change, in plain words. Not permission codes. What the person will now be able to do. If you change your mind, each line has a cross to remove it, and there is a discard button to put everything back the way it was. One more thing worth knowing. Permissions are read when a person signs in, so a change like this takes effect the next time they log in, not while they are sitting on a page. Save, and that one person now has the extra power. Everybody else on the same role is untouched, which is the whole point. In the last video we will look at where a user can see the permissions they hold.